DJA TV.
Breaking story, kasala don burst as wuruwuru pipo dem don enter Federal College of Forestry Mechanization Kaduna go kolobi some of the students dem wey dey inside the school. My correct person wey know every. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time wey this video take reach you. This na DJM TV daily news update, that your one-stop channel wey dey give you all the better story and the breaking gist wey dey happen for inside Nigeria and all around the world. Abeg, na your first time wey dey see our video, no forget to subscribe, like and to share this video. Now we bring una one breaking story right about now wey dey happen as we dey talk. The Federal College of Forestry Mechanization Kaduna, e don suffer attack as bandits dem don enter inside the school, kolobi some of the students dem wey dey for inside the school. The school dey for the Mado area of Kaduna, northwest of Nigeria. The Commissioner for Security for Kaduna State, Samuel Aruwa, don talk say na on top Friday morning, early momo dem, na dem take carry out this operation. Dem no know the whereabouts of the 30 students dem wey dey carry. So far, the Nigerian Army don succeed to rescue over 180 people dem, and most of them na college students na dem be. Na wetin Aruwa na talk. The Nigerian Army dey say don rescue 42 female students, 8 teachers and 130 male students. Meanwhile, the other 30 dem wey be both male and female students, dem never still know where they dey and dem never fit still identify them. These wuruwuru people dey enter inside the school around 11:30 p.m. on Thursday night, wey be the 11th of March 2021, come begin dey release groundnut for inside the air for almost 1 hour. One of the staff of the Federal College of Forestry Mechanization Kaduna bin talk say the kidnappers dem ask one of the students wey dem kolobi comot for the school to call them to inform them say the students there wey be more than 30 dem dey with the kidnappers. This one na go make am the 4th time wey these people dey attack schools since December 2020. First of all, they go Kangara, they go, we get the issue of Daship, we get the issue of Janjibi wey we still dey judge. We never judge Janjibi finish, we don begin dey judge Kaduna own. Now e say this place where this school dey, so to make matters worse, they enter this school wey dey for the outer area of Kaduna and they carry people comot for their hostel. And this area get one airport and e get one train station wey dey for around this Mado area. Also, e get one Nigerian military school wey still dey close to this school wey dey for still carry people. Now soldiers dem don enter their tank and helicopter. They don begin to try to dey rescue the students dem wey this government dey kidnap. The actual number wey they carry go now, e still not dey very clear, but they still dey speculate say na 30 of them, 30 of the students na still dey with this government dem. The Commissioner for Internal Affairs for Kaduna, Samuel Aruwa, don talk say he dey inside the school at the moment and they try to collate the numbers of people wey not dey and everything wey happen for inside the school. One of the students wey agree to talk to news people talk say the government enter the school for night and na only female students na im dey carry. They no gree touch any of the male students. Although government talk people never come confirm wetin she talk, you know that kind of matter. However, they dey talk say those wey be dey the female hostel be hide, but the armed men they still enter inside the hostel go pick them up. As e be now, so news people don find out say most of the male students, many of them escape. Say na most of the female students na dey miss for the school, although government officials never still confirm this one. Now, the school management say that they're very worried about the safety of their students. Some days back, for this same Kaduna area, one family of 10 people, na this Jaguda people called kidnap for inside the community where the school dey. Now, they don't come this school again. This na the 4th time where they kidnap students from school for recent as I talk. One happen for Kankara, another happen for Kangara, another for Janjibi. All of them for inside northwestern part of Nigeria. One of the residents for the Mado area wey agree talk to people say Mado area dey for close to Kaduna city. Say dem be dey hear gunshot around 11 p.m. until 12 a.m. But they assume say na the Nigerian Defence Academy wey dey close to the area, say maybe na the night they do training. na make dem no even bother theirself. Say because as they do training sometimes, when they train their students, they no dey wan do am for daytime, make not for scare people. They do am for nighttime like that, so they go fit get full concentration of the student. He say, no, say we dey close to Nigerian Defence Academy, and sometimes we dey hear gunshot during their training. So we dey think say na one of their training session na be this. We no know say some other thing don dey happen for inside the school. Now this school get hundreds of students, and parents and relatives of the school they don gather for the school premises on Friday morning, wey be the 12th of March 2021, to see whether their children dey safe or not. Although no group don come out and claim responsibility for this fresh attack wey dem make on the Federal College of Forestry Mechanization Kaduna, wey dey close to Nigerian Military Training School. But e dey confirmed and say students dey miss, and dey reach 30 of them wey dey miss, both male and female. This one go make am around 800 students wey be like say dem don kidnap for inside Nigeria, for the northwestern part, for different operation. Now na jaguda people wey dey carry gun, dey always dey target schools for inside Nigeria now, so that they go fit kidnap students for money. Now e come be like say they go kidnap students, and after which government go go negotiate with the government, then they'll come release the students back. Meanwhile, they dey collect money from all these kidnapped till they buy different weapons wey they attack the country. My people, this na the way just dey happen so as we dey talk for inside Mado area for Kaduna State, wey be like say don go the Federal College of Forestry Mechanization, go call some of their students then comot for school. As we dey get more details about the story, we go dey update una on top DJM TV Daily News Update. Abeg make you no forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Touch that wey be like bell wey near there, so that as we give you more update on this story wey just dey break, so as the story dey develop, we dey get more details about the story, we go dey release am for una. You sef, as you turn on the notification bell, you go be one of the first persons to know say update don dey concerning that matter wey we talk about. Well, na here we take come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I still be your girl and sister Lawuru Favour for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.